Hey, what's going on, guys? Steve here, Raking Profit, coming to you from my hotel room right now in freezing cold Connecticut. Do not ask me why I'm here right now, but I want to create a quick video for you sharing a free workshop that's going to be starting February 17th to the 19th. So I'll share my screen with you right here. But my mentors, Dan and Dylan, there's Dylan, there's Dan. They've done over $30 million with Wholesale. And typically once a year, they create a free training or a workshop. And this year, they've just gone above and beyond. I mean, these are my mentors. These are the guys who taught me how to start my wholesale business. And they're hosting a free workshop. So the workshop is going to be starting on the 17th. And it's going to go until the 19th. That's what it looks like, the workshop. And it's a 3-day workshop. On day one, they're going to be sharing their proven Amazon business model, which is really, mind-blowing, especially if you're coming from thrifting, garage sales, estate sales, liquidation, to learn about how the wholesale business model works and how they've done it is just incredible. And I'll shoot some more videos talking about this. And again, there is a link down below in the description. Register. It's a free 3-day virtual workshop. Day 2 is all about their formula for finding profitable wholesale products. And then day 3 is how to land wholesale accounts. So I'm telling you right now, these guys are the real deal. They're running a business. They're running a wholesale business. They're in the trenches. They have a team. They've gone from being booksellers and eBay sellers to scaling to over $30 million in sales wholesale. Now you're probably wondering, what are the profit margins? For them, it's typically around 20%. But the coolest thing is with wholesale is literally you build relationships with wholesalers, manufacturers, brands, and then you negotiate a deal with them. Typically you get these products for what's known as keystone pricing, which is 50% off retail. So say for example, you want to sell a supplement like Athletic Greens. First off, you're probably going to be ungated traditionally. So how do you get ungated? Well, when you order the products from the brand and manufacturer, they give you an invoice. You provide that to Amazon, and now you get ungated. So that's step number 1. Step 2, if those supplements are selling for $40, you negotiate a deal to get it for $20 from the brand. They ship it to you, or they ship it directly to the warehouse, depending how you run your business. And when it sells, Amazon's going to pick it, package, ship it, and deal with everything. So literally what you're focused on is putting deals together, acquiring products, acquiring deals, and then obviously just sending emails and making phone calls to get more products sent to Amazon when the inventory starts to get low. So with thrifting and whatnot, we're going out and we're having to find stuff. It's a treasure hunt. It's fun. It's amazing. This business isn't as fun, but it's much more scalable because once you put a deal together, right? Once you land your supplement or whatever you want to sell, you could sell toys, supplements, board games, literally kitchen products. There's anything that you could buy in wholesale. Once you put that deal together, right, and you jump on that listing, typically the way it works with Amazon is if there's 10 sellers and you're the 10th seller and it's making 10 grand a month, typically Amazon will rotate the buy box. So everybody will get 10% portion. So you make $1,000 a month just off that listing. And then all you have to do is just ship in more products, keep an eye on your inventory, and build more relationships with more wholesalers. So I'm super pumped up for this event. Again, it's starting February 17th. They're going to be covering everything that you need to know about wholesale. And this isn't going to be some huge pitch fest, right? Who here has ever gone to, webinars and stuff, and all they're doing is pitching you a course? It's not going to be like this at all. This is going to be very educational. This is 3 days. These guys are going to be providing so much value. So even if you're not ready to start wholesale or you don't have a couple $1,000s to start, go attend and learn. Start getting some ideas in your head. Start to see how the landscape of this e-commerce world works, because we're really in the second inning when it comes to e-commerce. And with Amazon and e-commerce and people shopping online, it's going to continue to explode. So learn. Attend this class, right? It's not even a class, it's a workshop, but think of it as like a college course. Take this course and it's free. And start to learn and start to get some ideas and gather some information. So when the time is right, whether it's now or another time, you have the information. Information is power. So hopefully you guys attend the workshop. I'm going to be there as well in the comments. And I'm so grateful for this. And it's just so amazing in 2021 how there's people who are willing to share. There's people who are willing to, break down the ingredients to their recipe and what works and what doesn't. And, this wasn't possible 20 years ago. So hopefully I'll see you there. I'll put the link down below. It's rakingprofit.com/learn wholesale. And hopefully you guys have a beautiful day. Much love.